Alright folks, buckle up, this isn't just any divorce hearing. We've got cats, property disputes, and even a dead deer in the mix. Yes, you heard that right. A dead deer. This case is about to get wild.
All right, we will go on the record in the matter 22 FA 72, in re the marriage of Lawrence Sears and Melissa Sears. Appearances are, we do have Melissa Sears in person without counsel. Lawrence Sears appears in person without counsel. We're set here today in
Contested. Divorce means both sides don't agree on everything. Translation: we're about to see fireworks as each fights for what they believe is theirs.
In this matter for a contested divorce hearing, and there are certain outstanding issues in resolving the divorce. Before I begin and before we go through this divorce process, let me look at the petition and see who filed. It looks like Lawrence, you filed?
Yes.
So I'm going to start with you, and I'm going to ask, what are the unresolved issues of the marriage as you see them? So what is it you want from her that she's not given, or what is it that you're seeking from the marriage?
Pause right there, his top priority. 2 cats. Forget the money. Forget the furniture. This man is going to war over fur babies.
I would like the rest of my property, my 2 cats, the truth about what's been going on with her.
I can't order her to tell you the truth.
I understand that. I would just like this done and over with.
So from your perspective, all you're seeking is cats?
And the rest of my property.
What are we talking about, rest of your property?
Oh, I have a list here that like you asked for. So.
Okay, all right. And Melissa, what from your perspective is still outstanding?
When we moved in with the person that we live with, or that I live with, when he moved out, he told me that he would have all his stuff out by August when he rented his storage unit. He came over twice with a trailer and never took anything. He left a dead deer in my—
Wait, did she just say he left a dead deer in her garage? Folks, this divorce just went from messy to downright bizarre.
garage. So that's where I stand on that. The owner of the property that I live with is what's in question here.
So the property that he's seeking is in a garage of a place you're staying?
Yes,
Okay.
with the owner of the property. As far as—
But you live there?
Yes, I live there.
You rent?
No,
You just live there for free?
yes.
Here's the thing, courts often treat pets like property, not family. But as you'll see, these cats are more like children in this breakup.
Now what about the cats?
The cats are our cats. I had a cat named Booger.
Don't need cats right now.
All right. When he's
You
left
want
3
cats,
times.
she wants cats.
Yes, I want the cats. They
Both
are
want
mine.
cats.
I take care of them.
Okay.
I
I'll
take-
determine whose they are, actually.
Yes.
So, okay. So, but anything else other than the cats and argument over property that's stored in a garage of the place that you live in that may or may not be his, what are you seeking?
I'm not seeking anything. In the beginning, I wanted maintenance, but I've changed my mind because I don't want anything to do with him, which includes money.
Okay.
Not-
All right. So let's go from here. Okay.
Sworn in under oath. This is where the drama levels up. Remember, lying here isn't just shady, it's perjury, a criminal offense.
I'm going to have you both stand up, raise your right hands, and be sworn in.
You both affirm that the testimony you're about to provide in this matter should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated. Okay, I'm gonna start with you, Mr. Sears, since you're the one who filed the petition. When were you married?
March 4th, 2011.
And were there any children born or adopted of this marriage?
No,
To your knowledge, do you believe that Ms. Sears is pregnant?
no.
Do you remember when you filed the petition?
November 2023.
Okay. Did you live in Wisconsin at least 6 months prior to filing?
Yes,
Did you live in Burnett County at least 30 days prior to filing?
yes.
When did you and Ms. Sears separate?
Actually, he started July of 2022 when she all of a sudden woke up and just blatantly threw me out for no reason. She did not come out and say, honey, we need to talk. Some things need to change. She looked at me one day and said, I do not know why you are even here. 3 days later, her feet and she wasn't even, wait 30 seconds. She's standing in front of me, blatantly throwing me out, telling me to take the rest of my stuff when I leave there that day. I did not move out. She threw me out in 2022.
Is that the home that she still lives in?
Yes,
To your knowledge, does the individual who owns the home live there too?
yes,
Did he live there, he or she lived there when you lived there?
yes.
Oh, so it was like a roommate?
He's the owner of the place, yes. I was his,
You
I
both-
paid $200 a month rent there.
And you both lived in that home together
Yes,
with the owner of the property?
yes.
Okay, all right. How long did you live at that property?
Up and on for 3 years.
Okay. All right. Are there any other legal actions affecting this marriage filed in any other jurisdiction or county?
No,
Are you in the active military?
no,
Are you currently disabled?
yes.
What are you disabled?
This lower back, I have neuropathy.
Do you get SSDI, Social Security payments?
Yes,
Are you able to work at all?
no.
How much do you?
Objection.
Well, you'll get to that. How much do you make a month?
1,122.
This is heartbreaking. He's literally living in his car while fighting for his cats. It raises a tough question: can he realistically care for them without stable housing?
And where do you currently live?
In my vehicle.
Even in the winter?
I had some friends offer me their small apartment over this winter for 4 months.
All right. Now, do you believe that the marriage is irretrievably broken?
Yes,
Is there any chance of reconciliation?
no,
With regards to the property, you're seeking possession and ownership of 2 cats.
yes.
How can you take care of the cats if you don't have a home?
They will be going to my mother's place right now.
I'm going to give you an opportunity in a little bit after I ask certain questions for you to tell me things like you want to tell me, and then you'll get the same thing about telling me other things. But with regards to the cats, they'll be at your mother's. You want the cats, and you're saying that they'll be at your mother's house until you find stable housing.
Yes,
I'm going to need you to tell me all about the ownership of the cats later, but right now I just needed to know that you want the cats. What other property, if you can specifically recall, in this garage are you seeking? Oh, you have the list.
yes,
So
I have a list here.
you'll be able to provide me a list of property. Why don't you do that now? Come and get it marked as an exhibit. Give me a copy. Give Ms. Sears a copy, please. Thank you. All right, I think I asked all of the important questions that I need jurisdictionally with regards to the divorce. Now, Mr. Sears, I'm going to give you an opportunity to tell me certain things that you're seeking from this divorce, and arguments and evidence as to why you're seeking and why I should order that you receive certain property. You have now provided me with Exhibit 1, which has certain things you're seeking. Number 1, the truth about the affair.
And here comes the bombshell and alleged affair. But remember, adultery alone usually doesn't decide property or pet custody in divorce. Still, it sure adds fuel to the fire.
With Randy Tashney. I can't order her to do that.
I will go. I will go under oath and tell you personally, I never had an affair. I never slept with that man. The reason he is divorcing me is because he thinks I had an affair. I never had an affair. I never looked at another man twice.
Who is Randy Tashney?
He was a mutual friend of ours.
Okay. All right. Well, she said it. I can't force her to say anything, but she's indicating that under oath, she's under oath,
Yes,
that she did not have an affair. Okay. And so you're also number 2, no alimony, Melissa and daughter Ashley at Hurdle Turtle Casino, May 16th, 5 p.m. What does that mean?
I wasn't feeling good that night. I went out, Hurdle out there to get dinner, at the casino, at the restaurant there. Yeah, I walked through the door. First person I seen was her coming out of the casino. She went right back into the casino, come out, went into the C-store, and then went right back into the casino. So, that's where the no alimony comes from. If she can,
She's saying she's not seeking maintenance.
yes,
for
I know.
alimony.
Right now she is, but I did not know that at the time. So,
Okay, so no alimony. No cell phone payments. She has an eBay account selling things, making money.
yes.
What do you mean cell phone payments? These
Well,
are all things that you're saying that you don't want to do for her. I'm more looking at things that you want for you.
oh, for me? Oh, okay. Yeah, that was part of what I wanted was no cell phone payment from her. So,
Why? Like she pays your cell phone?
no,
You pay her cell phone?
She, in her financials, she's asking for $40 a month to pay her cell phone.
Well, she's not asking in a financial.
Not no more. Yes,
disclosure.
that's crossed out. So we'll just,
All right.
Ah, the name battle. But here's the law. You can't force your ex to drop your last name. If she wants to keep it till the end of time, sorry, sir, that's her right.
Number 4, she does not keep my last name. You don't have the right to do that. You don't have the right to do that. She wants to keep it forever and ever and until death, amen. She gets to. I can't force her to change it. You can't force her to change it. That's the law. She gets it if she wants it. Sorry. 5, personal property. Everything in the garage. Ice fishing, summer fishing, waffle maker, mini donut maker, 12-foot Lowe's lowliner green boat.
yes,
3 snow blowers,
Yep.
hand tools, those things.
yes,
And those are all of the things that you can remember that are in that garage.
yes,
And those are the things that you're seeking.
yes,
Okay. And the last you knew, those things were stored in that garage.
yes,
Okay. 2 cats
yes,
and a large litter box and an electric water dish.
yes.
All important papers, birth certificate, etc. Where are those stored?
They were in her place, inside the trailer. Now I don't know where they're at. They,
The trailer she lives in now?
yes,
Well, where was the last place you knew them to be?
inside the trailer.
Well, that's very vague.
Well, that's the last place I knew them until she started moving things out.
In a drawer in the trailer, in a
I
safe
can
in
tell
the
you
trailer.
exactly. It was in a drawer in his end table that was in the garage, and he took the drawer out and took it with him.
I do not have that in my
All right,
possession.
well, okay. Now, tell me about the cats. When did he get them? How old are they?
They were born.
I want him to tell me.
Okay.
You can tell me later.
Big rat. We were living in the Siren trailer park 7 years ago. Big Red was born there. His boy, Junior, was also born there. Big Red run right up. When he was just a kitten, he run right up in front of me twice. And that's where he's been, right here with me, since the day he could get away from his mother. He wanted to actually crawl inside my mouth. And I just
I'm hearing that you have a really good connection with Big
yes,
Red.
Big Red. He's mine, always been mine.
Who's, and Boy Junior?
Junior, his son, Junior.
Okay.
And
And so how old are the cats?
Big Red is 7 and Junior is 4. Big Red will be 8 in December and Junior will be 5 in March.
Okay. All right. And so tell me about your connection with the cats. It sounds like you.
Listen to the way he talks about Big Red. It's like a love story. Do you think emotional bonds should matter in deciding who gets the pets? Drop your thoughts below.
You have a close connection with Big Red?
Yes. I used to go out to a crop farm in North Dakota for sugar beet harvest. And Melissa would call me up and say, hey, you need to talk to Red. He's being a major asshole. So she'd put the phone down.
In court, and I know
Okay, I'm
like
sorry.
You're providing testimony.
Yes. And she put the phone down by him and I'd say, Red, behave yourself and quit being a. And she'd start laughing and, what? Oh, it's funny. He just pinned his ears back and took right out when he heard your voice over the phone. He comes up and he lays right between my legs. He's always been mine, and Junior too. I got text messages I sent to her. I have here, I think, I'm not sure, asking for pictures. She did send me pictures.
So
And
both Big Red and Junior they were free?
no, they were born.
So they were free, you didn't have to pay for them?
No,
Okay. And who took them to the vet?
I did.
Do they have their shots?
Yes,
What types of shots do they have?
everything.
What's everything?
Lately they haven't had them, but when they were kittens, they got their distemper and rabies and everything.
Okay.
I was just down in, darn it. I was just in Centuria with my dog this morning at 8 o'clock and it was an emergency with my dog this morning and I really didn't think about getting the paperwork for my cats because they're in my name down in Centuria. Every cat she has but Taz is in my name in Centuria.
Okay. And so you're the one you took them to the vet and you paid for the shots?
Yes.
So tell me about your living situation.
I've been in and out of my vehicle since she threw me out in the middle of July of 2022. I have no idea. Like I said, she said.
You can't find a place to live? You
Um,
can't stay with your mom?
She has issues with management there. I don't know, it's just a big mess with the management at the trailer park.
That's where your mom lives?
Hmm?
That's where your mom lives?
Yes,
Okay. And would she be able to even have cats?
yes,
Does she have your dog?
yes. We gotta go through a whole process of me filling out an application and then them approving me to move in with her.
Been 2 years. Why hasn't that happened?
I've been dealing with low income here in the county. I've been dealing with the tribe also. Part of my important papers that I'm missing is my birth certificate that was in her place when she threw me out.
You know, you can go to
No.
now in Wisconsin, if you're born in Wisconsin, to any county and you can order your birth certificate.
I've been going through this. I'm trying to explain this, please. There's a discrepancy between what Social Security has File for the spelling of my name in the state. The spelling.
That's easy to fix, but it takes a court action. You have
Yes,
to file it.
yes, that's what I'm going through. I'm waiting for all the papers right now.
All right. Have you went to the vital rerecords department?
That's what I am waiting on right now.
And did you ask to order your birth certificate?
Yes, I'm waiting on all the important papers right now.
Okay, when did you go to order your birth certificate?
2 months ago, I think it was. Month and a half ago. I come right in here, first floor, to get a copy of my birth certificate for the tribe out there. That's when we noticed there was a difference, a discrepancy in the spelling between Social Security and what the state has on my birth certificate. So.
At this point, the judge is basically giving him one last chance to put everything on the table. This moment is crucial. It frames the rest of the case.
All right. Is there anything else that you would like me to know? Anything else you would like to ask for? Do you have any debts?
No.
Well, in looking at your financial disclosure statement, it looks like you should or could find a place to reside with the, doesn't look like you have significant amounts.
No, I don't. It's just coming up with the money for the
Down payment?
Yep.
All right, anything else you want to add? And it looks like there's personal property of like a Ford Expedition, a Chevy Tahoe, a 14-foot fishing boat, and a 12-foot John boat.
The 12-foot John boat is the green one.
And okay, and so you're asking to have ownership of those assets?
Yes.
He already has them.
Except for the green fishing boat?
Yes.
Yep. And her name was never on the title to anything.
That wouldn't matter. There's a shared marital property state, so.
And the Tahoe, my mother is on the title for that because she's co-signer for the Tahoe for the loan.
And it would be divided by 3.
Okay.
It could be if it was bought during the marriage.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter that Miss Sears isn't on the title and just you and your mom are. She still would have some ownership interest.
The green boat was bought. I had that 8 years before we even got together. That was personal property.
Okay. All right. Ms. Sears, I'm going to turn to you now. Did you hear the questions as it relates to the marriage and the separation and those things did you listen to those answers that Mr. Sears provided?
Yes.
Were they truthful?
No.
What was not truthful?
As far as me kicking him out.
I don't care about that,
Okay.
honestly.
All right.
I mean, that's a personal issue. I don't know why. I don't honestly care why. Marital issues.
No, not really, other than the cats. I disagree with what he says about the cats.
Are you pregnant?
No.
Do you believe the marriage is irretrievably broken?
Yes.
Are you?
Oh, and there it is, the final nail. Both sides agree. The marriage is broken beyond repair. Now it's all about property, pets, and closure.
Are you able to work?
Yes.
And do you work?
Yes.
And if I look at your financial disclosure statement, it doesn't look like you work.
Yes, I work at A&W.
For $500, that's all you get a month?
Yes.
You don't get anything else?
Nope. I do not any longer. I was selling eBay, but when I got the divorce papers saying that we can sell, get rid of, whatever, I had to stop.
Okay. And is this Chevy Tahoe and the Ford Expedition, are those 2 different vehicles?
Yes.
And those are vehicles you would like awarded to you?
I don't want any of it, no,
You don't want that 2003 Tahoe
no,
or the 2003 Expedition?
no.
Why?
The Expedition is majorly broken.
Wait, he says it's a 2001 Tahoe and a 2002 Expedition.
I might have the dates wrong.
Okay, so you don't want those.
No,
Okay,
I don't
All
want his boats.
and you don't want his boats. All right, so tell me about the cats.
Okay, so I had a cat named Booger. He had never had cats before. She got pregnant, and that's where Red came from. Ben Jr. was born. All that is true. We had 2 more cats. Yes, Red loved Larry very much. Junior is with Red. Now, for the past couple years, last few times that Larry come over, Red did not want anything to do with him. He ran and hid. Now, Junior has come around and he loves me. I call him, he comes. Now, what Larry's not telling you is we have 2 other cats named Peanut and Lily. When Larry was around, Peanut did nothing but throw up every time Larry screamed and yelled. Now, since I got the restraining order, Peanut has not thrown up at all. The cats get their medicine. Larry spent $300 on medicine that almost killed one of our cats.
So I have a question because I didn't hear anything about Peanut and Larry. So Mr. Sears, you have 4 cats?
Yes,
6.
4.
Six
6.
cats?
4.
Do they all live in the house?
Last time I was there, she had 6 cats.
I want to know what you had as a married couple. I don't care if she has 20 cats now. I want to know what you had when you were together.
4.
4. And you don't like Peanut and Larry?
Oh, Peanut's a great boy.
Peanut
Peanut butter.
doesn't like him.
Oh, he loves me. If
Okay.
we were to go over there right now, and we were to see how them cats come to me,
And why are you asking for Red and Junior, but not Peanut and Larry?
Lily.
Lily,
Really?
those are hers. Peanut butter has been
Yeah.
hers.
No, it's not hers and his. It's marital assets. They're property. I could say you can have Peanut, she can have Junior, you can have Lily and Red. They're all marital assets. They're property. Even though they're animals, they're property. They're both marital. They're all 4 marital property. Okay.
Big Red's been all over. She knows this. Big Red's been mine since.
All right. So you can continue, Ms. Sears. Tell me about Peanut, Lily, Red, and Junior.
Since they've been born, they have scratching problems. You know, they scratch the furniture, they scratch whatever. I've wanted to buy scratching posts. Larry tells me no. He says we can't afford it, whatever. I'll build one. I'll build. Not once has he built anything for those cats. I just recently went to a yard sale and finally, after 7 years, found a cat tower big enough for Junior, Red, Lily, and Peanut all to fit in there comfortably. Red sleeps in it. Red has his own pillow. Red has his own blanket. Red has his own fan.
Okay, I'm
A circus of animals, a dead deer in the garage, and a custody battle over cats. This divorce has it all. But who do you think should get Big Red and Junior? Let us know in the comments.
kind of confused. Like you're living with somebody and not paying anything, and he allows a circus of animals?
Vinny needed the,
Actually, animals that do damage?
they don't now that I have the scratching posts. We have plastic over certain areas so they can't scratch. Where we live is kind of, it's weird to say, it's one trailer. Vinny Vincent Savo lives in the back. It's separated by a door. He has his bathroom, all his kitchen is back there, everything. Vinny needed a companion when his wife died. I used to take care of his wife. So when we had the issues with the eviction in the trailer court, that's when we moved in with him. And yes, he loves the cats. Big Red is back there with him a lot. He is Papa Vinny to Red.
Cat, he's not Papa Vinny. It's a cat.
No,